everyone, I am Dr. S. Amada, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science from Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. Today now we will discuss about the concept Design Thinking Based Data Engineering Overview in Role of Responsibilities. Now the data engineering is a main important domain in our IT field. The data engineering concept to creating a project based on that the problem and followed by to identify the problem and then create a designs and implementing and finally to maintain all the data in our system storage. Now elaborately we discuss about what is mean by the data engineering and roles and responsibilities discussed by our students. Now the sessions hand over to the student. Now the students are elaborately explain about the data engineering overview, roles and responsibilities and also a process. And the process, now I mentioned that short explanations. That is the process of data engineering is to gathering raw information and how the data is transferred through that quality means. Now the data engineer to find the incomplete and consistency and structured data, those data are removed and after to be stored in a database. That is a meaningful data set. After the data set, the meaningful data set, it is accessed by the data scientist and the data engineer. And the data scientist, it is possible for analysis and machine learning algorithms. Those meaningful data set is highly suitable for your data learning algorithms. And also the data, it should be a quality. The quality is checking by the validations. Now, for example, the register number means they have a alphanumeric character and the number of digits, it should be a format, it should be a correct format. That is the quality of a data, and also reliability of applications. And scalability means if that one organization is grow, automatically the data is also grow. At that time also the data engineer processing the data in large volume of data, they providing analysis part in efficient manner. And as well as the responsibility of data engineer is they using the architecture and data pipeline and as well as the optimization. The data pipeline is an automated process. This is transferring the data from the source to the storage system, and as well as the data is collected from a various source and combined to work. That is the data engineering roles and responsibilities.